Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect OAuth login with Auth0 in a mobile app, full guide step by step clearly. To connect OAuth login with Auth0 in a mobile app, start by signing up for an Auth0 account if you haven't already. Once registered, log in to your Auth0 dashboard. Create a new application by clicking on Applications in the sidebar. Select Create Application. Name your application and choose the type relevant to your mobile platform, either iOS or Android. After creating the application, take note of your domain, client ID, and client secret, as you'll need them later. Navigate to the settings for your application. Configure the callback URL for your mobile app, ensuring it matches your app's configuration. Enable the appropriate connections under the Connections tab. For example, if using Google as an OAuth provider, toggle on the Google connection. Next, set up the required permissions for your application under the API section. Download and install the Auth0 SDK for your mobile development platform. Integrate the SDK into your project following the installation guidelines provided in the documentation. Import the necessary Auth0 libraries into your code. Initialize the Auth0 client using your domain and client ID within your app's configuration file. Create a login function that calls the Auth0 login method, prompting users with the OAuth provider options. Handle the callback from Auth0 in your application to manage the authentication response. Store the received tokens securely, using your platform's encryption methods to keep user data safe. Implement logout functionality by calling the Auth0 logout method when users choose to sign out. Test the entire flow rigorously to ensure user login, authentication, and logout processes work seamlessly. Debug any issues that arise during testing to refine the user experience. Consult Auth0's extensive documentation for troubleshooting and advanced configuration. Once everything works smoothly, prepare your app for submission to the relevant app stores. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.